The prior system that was used in Illinois, and it was the system that had been in effect since September of '84, was when the guidelines went into effect originally. And those guidelines would calculate child support based upon, at that time we referred to parents as custodial and non-custodial parents. That verbiage has been changed since that time, but I think it will make more sense if I just refer to the parent that was paying support as being the non-custodial parent. Child support would be based upon a percentage of that parent's net income. And depending upon how many children support was being paid for, the percentage would go up. For example, it would be 20% of that parent's net income for one child, 28% for two children, 32% for three children, 40% for four children, and on up. And it did not take into consideration the income that the custodial parent made. Illinois was in the minority, and I have not checked to see for sure how many states have gone to income share, but I think 40 of the 50, somewhere in that area, use an income share model, which is what Illinois now is using since July 1st of this year. Under that system, child support is calculated looking at the income, the net income of both parents, and there's a chart that is used to determine what a child should receive by way of support from parent A making X number of dollars and parent B making X number of dollars, and then you determine what that joint support obligation should be, and then that obligation is divided between the parents based upon their relative income. So if you've got a parent that makes 40% of their total net income and the other parent making 60% of their total net income, that support obligation would be paid by 40% by one parent, 60% by the other. And it is felt to be fairer because it's based upon both parents' incomes as opposed to just the non-custodial parent.